The capital of Henan province, Zhengzhou, has been considered the geographic center of China throughout the nation's history. Located in the north-central part of the province, it is situated to the south of the Yellow River, where its valley broadens into the Great Plain. Despite its historical importance, few of us have heard about this city until recently. Often, it takes catastrophic natural disasters to bring exposure and large media coverage in the Western world. Back in the early 1970s, Henan was one of the poorest provinces in China. In 1978, however, when China initiated the open door policy and embraced capitalism, the country entered an economic boom that is flourishing today. The boom did not reach inland provinces such as Henan initially. Only by the 1990s, Henan's economy was expanding at an even faster rate than that of China overall. Today, the ancient city retains its central position on China's economic map as one of the most important transportation hubs in the nation. Zhengzhou has one of the most developed transportation systems in all of China, with massive infrastructure projects and investments in airports, railways, and highways. The city has a distinct advantage in integrated transportation. It is one of few cities in China that are located at the junction of many national highways and expressways. Nowadays, the city has a powerful traffic network that reaches citywide and serves as a critical hub for the entire nation. Zhengzhou is the largest railway container center in China and has the largest train fleet in Asia. At the heart of China's railway network, Zhengzhou North Railway Station is the largest switching yard in all of Asia, while Zhengzhou's East Railway Station is the largest bulk cargo railway transshipment station in China. The city has 7 pillar industries, including new materials, biology and medicine, electronic information, and automobile and equipment manufacturing. Zhengzhou's new district, which is located in eastern Zhengzhou, was officially established in 2003. By the end of June 2014, 207 financial institutions had moved into the city, including banks, securities, and insurance companies. What happens when the skies go dark and the rain comes for 3 consecutive days? A year's average rainfall fell in just 3 days, something that's not happened in the past 60 years. A city of 12 million people submerged underwater that is the size of Los Angeles. The flood defenses were overwhelmed with people stuck on rooftops. Above ground, roads have been turned into rivers with cars and debris swept along its fast-moving currents. The heavy downpours that began on July 17th have affected almost 13 million people, damaged nearly 9,000 homes, and caused economic losses into the billions. With many red rain alerts, their residents knew that the city was under siege. Zhengzhou recorded 209.1 millimeters or 8.23 inches of heavy rain in the space of just 1 hour. This compares to 154 millimeters that fell in 24 hours in the German city of Cologne, which has also been hit by severe flooding, a once-in-a-century occasion and beyond any city's bearing capacity. However, extensive relief and rescue mission deployed by both Chinese military and as well as private groups took control of this disastrous scenario, including some of China's largest tech companies like Alibaba and Tencent, who have announced over $154 million in flood relief. The nation's military, firefighters, police, and citizens all around China have pulled together to help this province through difficult times. Zhengzhou started the slow process of recovery to its former glorious city that it is. No storm lasts forever. After the storm, the sun will shine and set again. When the night falls in the city and the lights are lit, take a look at the beauty which lights can bring to a modern city like Zhengzhou. The historic city is transformed into a modern metropolis. With futuristic shapes and forms, the beauty of this city is revealed. To see part 2, visit Cyrus Jansen's link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave a comment below or share our video throughout all social media